son of a bitch. Ugly bitches!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My Nugget Studios once again for another epic fighting championship commentary. What's wrong with him? Mans think he Chris Jericho? Now that I think about it, ain't that the same dude who won because other mans dislocated his arm? Homie must have graduated from Jake Paul University. He fighting against malfunctioning bodies and old people. This the same elderly man who was whipping everybody's ass before.
Let the games begin!
Round one, fight.
And here we go, Muffin Top having 2 fights in one evening. Old man about to teach him a lesson.
I cannot believe it!
Homie must have been judging a book by his cover. He holding his chin perplexed, flummoxed at the fact that an elderly man would have hands like this. He must have stepped into the octagon thinking this was gonna be an exhibition. Just look how he throwing punches. Mans ain't never been in a fight in his life.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I will never let you go.
Now go kill him!
Finish him.
Lord have mercy, my baby!
And there goes the battle!
Where's the ambulance? Why the man body still right there?
Ain't supposed to be laying
Call the
there.
damn ambulance!
God damn, Muffin Top got his ass whipped. The senior citizens saw Mans couldn't fight and immediately went no mercy on his ass. Mans didn't even give him the senior citizen discount. He got them hands at full price.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
What did you think was gonna happen? Mans came from a generation where putting your child in the ICU by way of ass whipping was considered a rite of passage of parenting. Mans tried to escape, but the old mech statue in the face said he's gonna give his noggin a flogging. Introduce him to blunt force trauma.
Help me! Oh my God! Son of a bitch!
Jesus Christ.
Your winner by TKO. This old motherfucker right here.
Eat a dick, old man!
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Shorty kinda looked like that scientist from Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. Mans must have said to hell with the escorts you get at the end of this fight. He wants to take home a guilt. I know she got cobwebs down there. Why they giving Muffin Top a gift? He the loser of the fight. The only thing that needs to be in that bag is a coupon from HelloFresh.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Let me talk to you. April is Earth Month, and HelloFresh has always been committed to a cleaner planet. On average, HelloFresh meals have 31% lower carbon footprint than the same meals that are made from supermarket ingredients. Plus, nearly all HelloFresh packaging materials are curbside recyclable in most areas of the United States. And HelloFresh's pre-portioned ingredients cut down on your food waste by at least 23% compared to grocery shopping, which is good for your wallet and the planet. They keep your taste buds on their toes with 40 recipes and over 100 seasonal and convenient items to choose from each week. With so much variety, there are options for everyone in every single lifestyle. They've got all kinds of options ranging from these Santa Fe pork tacos all the way to sweet potato and pepper quesadillas. HelloFresh has you covered for every mealtime occasion, ranging from snacks to easy lunches to seasonable celebrations to festive gatherings. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, HelloFresh got a meal for you. So do yourself a favor and click the link in my description. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code Chiseled50 for 50% off, plus your first box ships free. That's HelloFresh.com. Use code Chiseled50 for 50% off, plus your first box ships free. Let them know I sent you.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Up next, we have what looks like a retired school shooter taking on this pointy nipple motherfucker. And here we go.
Spin him!
How you get duffed into a mosh pit? This man not even in the octagon no more.
Stupid!
He flew so far back he almost tripped over the ref.
Kick!
Dude, what the fuck?
How many times is this man gonna try to defend with his face? His equilibrium shot. We only 20 seconds into the fight. What the hell is that? How many windmill punches is this man gonna miss?
Come here!
What is going on at the commentator's desk? Who taught this man how to fight? He swings without even looking at his opponent. No scope Poppy ain't connect yet.
Why you keep doing the same move?
Come here!
Man's in there looking like Yamcha after the Saiyan saga. Absolutely useless.
Fucking kick!
He in there taking damage for the fun of it. I got you now, SpongeBob. He could have put Mans to sleep in the guillotine, but decided to keep the torture going.
Come here.
Oh, I missed.
Homie spent the entire first round doing absolutely nothing. He barely got his ass whipped. All he did was embarrass himself. Dude ain't land a single strike. He got less accuracy than American news.
Round 2. Fight.
That's it. Enough of this shit.
Get his dumb ass on the ground. Lock him into a guillotine. You know Mans don't want to be here because he not even trying to get out of the submission hold. Mans controller must be lagging. He not even moving. It's a wrap. He's been mounded.
Looks like you're about to get pwned.
Do it again.
You can see he wants to have mercy on him, but the ref refuses to end the fight. That's what your dumbass get for spamming the same punch button. Homie Tomahawk swang the entire night with not a single connection, and he had to tap out due to blows to the face. His dumbass kept trying to do the no-scope even on the ground. And now look at him, tapping out like a virgin getting penetrated by a Mandingo warrior.
It hurts. You know it hurts.
Don't you get it, Springfield? It's over. You lose.
Victory is mine.
Your winner by TKO.
Come here.
What the hell going on? We over here trying to announce the winner, and the man who just took an L gets swarmed by onlookers. But as we all know, it wouldn't be Epic Fighting Championship if there wasn't some sort of weird shit going on. Nevertheless, the winner by TKO, this librarian-looking gentleman. Mans may not look much like a fighter, but it's better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war.
Congratulations. You win.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Please. Please.
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.